Right now, I'm studying in inter first year. So I enrolled in the Manage Distractions and Excel Academically program from Coaching with Lax because after entering 11th grade, I felt very overwhelmed with a lot of increase in subjects and lot of pressure. And I was struggling to maintain my stress timetable, basically overall struggling a lot. So this program helped me in three main ways. I learned how to reduce my distractions such as gadgets or my stress or anxiety or all of them. I learned how to manage them properly. Much I learned how to channelize my emotions. It helped me create realistic and effective study plans. I developed a balanced routine so I no longer feel exhausted or overwhelmed.
This is the age where his hormones will kick it out, and he's an adolescent. He'll be having a lot of distractions and all. So that's where when we met you and you suggested this course, we thought like this is going to help him to come out of all these distractions. I feel like now he's in ground, I can say. He is thinking to achieve something, he has to do work. It's not like only saying it is possible to achieve. Uh, whenever, I mean, saying is different and taking actions is different. So that is difference I am seeing. And study plans, he is able to have the manage the timetable, study plans. Those are all like realistically he's making the plans, and he's studying well. I can say that the process is improved rather than marks and all. It is improved. He's spending time with the books. That is something I liked it. And whenever he reads, he hands out his phone to me and he tries to read. Even though nowadays, even though the phone is with him, I could see he is using phone for the reading purposes. And so these are the improvements I saw. So overall, the program helped Saaketh to be a Saaketh, better Saaketh.
We would definitely recommend this for anyone struggling with
Distraction.
distraction.
Thank you so much, and we wish you all the best.